Asset management is the professional practice of increasing total wealth over time. Let us look at how it works for the everyday investor. At its core, asset management is about growth. It involves making strategic decisions about where to place your money to meet your goals. Managers aim to balance risk and reward. While no return is guaranteed, the goal is to outperform basic savings interest over the long term. These tasks help keep your investments aligned with your personal timeline and your comfort level regarding market volatility. You can manage your own assets using low-cost index funds or hire a professional to handle the strategy. Both have different trade-offs. One critical detail is the fee structure. Over decades, even small management fees can significantly impact the total value of your retirement account. Regardless of who manages your assets, consistency is the most important factor in long-term wealth building. Thanks for watching. Remember that investing involves risk, so always do your own research before committing your capital.